take it off, my love?
Oh, on top, look, there's an ice on top. See it? The top water? Is it working?
Yeah.
Okay, well, thank you. Hi, baby.
Oh,
What happened to your snowman?
that was quick.
Your snowman's starting to melt. Oh, poor guy. Hey, you did a great job. Look at that. Wow, look at that. You cleaned the whole driveway. My goodness. And look at the icicles here. I forgot to show you the icicles here. Look at the big icicles hanging off the house there. Ooh. Look how long they are. Wow. Don't get under these because they'll hurt you if they.
That way, yeah. Letter F for Flores. That's from the icicle. Take a picture. Yeah, I got a video.
Wow, what are you doing, babe?
I'm cooking. Look at me.
Ooh.
Can you see the...
Yeah, it's like 10 degrees out here right now. No
Yes.
power in the house, so we're having to cook outside.
So I'm gonna freeze first before I can eat.
Ooh, who said we can't eat no lumpia in this freezing weather? Look, snow by your feet.
Yeah.
Man. And you can't see it in the dark, but shine me some light here. Ooh, shine me some light. I don't see it on that. There's the grill right there, warming it up. Hi, baby.
Hello.
Can't see you. Where you at? Yeah, let's see. Let me get some light. Well, there you are. Wow. You gotta have more brownouts more often.
No way. But we do have lumpia today. We have to cook it outside with this freezing weather. She's right there.
Wow. Yeah. Dig in.
Ooh, yeah.
Better?
With a flashlight and some lumpia. Okay, that's it. We have no water in the house right now, and it is not raining, but we have this. This is the water dripping from the ice cubes, the snow ice. So we got water, we can flush the toilet and wash our hands. Nice one. Day 3, we still have our mountain. And the little mountain right there. What you got, babe? A flag?
Are you climbing Mount Everest? You're gonna plant your flag up there?
Hey, we can put this Mount Everest here too. We can put it to use. We're gonna put it in a bucket.
You're gonna put the snow to use? What are you gonna do with it? What are you gonna use it for?
Water.
We need water. We don't have any water. Right. We're gonna melt it and use it to flush toilets. Wonderful. Don't forget little Mount Everest behind you. Mayan Volcano and Mount Pinatubo.
Go hide in your igloo. You fit?
If you're new to my channel, hit the like button and subscribe. And hit that bell so you can get notified whenever we post a new video. Bye-bye.